Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect to an Ubuntu Linux machine remotely from a Windows 11 machine, and we'll be using RDP or XRDP. On the Ubuntu Linux machine, I just need to make sure that XRDP is installed and enabled or running, and then I'll also need the IP address. I'll use that information on the Windows 11 machine to do the remote connection. So let's open the terminal here, and the first thing you may want to do is just to update your package repositories. You can do sudo update Okay, that's done. Now to install XRDP, just run sudo apt install XRDP and just wait for yes here. Okay, once the installation is done, we will check the status of it. You can do systemctl status XRDP, and it's active and running. This. If it wasn't running, to start the services, you can run sudo systemctl start XRDP, and that should start it. To enable it, just use enable XRDP. Now that we've verified that it's active and running, we can go ahead and get the IP address. We'll also need a username on this machine as well as a password that we'll use to do the connection to this machine. To get the IP, we'll just use IP address. The IP is 172.16.105. Now, if you're going to be using the same username to do your remote connection, you might want to log out. Otherwise, you might not be able to log in if you intend to use the same username. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go ahead and log out. Say log out. And now I'm on the Windows 11 machine. We need to use remote desktop here. We'll open remote desktop app. And here we can just put in the IP, which was 172.16.105. Now, before you do the connection, you can also try and see if you can reach that device using ping. Just open your terminal. You can search for CMD here and open your terminal or PowerShell, whatever you prefer to use. And then just ping the IP 172.16.105. And I'm able to ping it. Sent 4 packets, received 4 packets. So the device is reachable from this Windows 11 machine. Now we can go ahead and do the remote connection using remote desktop. Okay, click on connect, yes, and let's just put in, actually I'm going to use a different username here. And then connect, and I'm connected to the Ubuntu Linux machine. I can go to the apps here, can open the terminal, and I can do W. It's gonna show that I'm connected using this session right here. So that's all for this video. That's how you can use XRDP or RDP to connect from a Windows 11 machine to Ubuntu Linux. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.